Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 101 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building one of these. Let's have a quick scoop through this week's magazine. First up, you got the TV show there saying Louis the Lilac. I'll leave that to your imagination. You then got Flower Power there. Batman comics saying cracks there. There's the penguin looking really sinister there. And you look at that. Got the right hump, innit? Batman Year by Year is Batman 18 Part 1. Nice little bit of cover art there. I like that. Continuation there of the Year by Year. Another stunning piece of artwork there. That is Clayman's variant cover for the DC Nation Volume 2. Yeah, I do like that. Beautiful. Continuation again of Year by Year there. Catwoman. And then we've got our car parts for this week. And we're going to be fitting the hinges to the right-hand door, preparing it for further assembly in subsequent phases, folks. Nice, simple, easy to follow instructions there. And that's the result we're going to end up with today, which is the right-hand door with both hinges in place, folks. So that's the magazine done. So we'll put that to one side, and when we come back, we'll start a bit of assembly. So let's grab 101, get this open. So let's look at this. One's got a recess there. The other one's got the recess there. And we want a couple of EM screws. Put that away there. Right. So we're literally, that's what we've got. Door, hinges, couple of screws. And we're going to be fitting them hinges in situ. And that's what we're going to end up with. Nice and simple issue, this one, folks, okay? So, start off with 101B, I think, which is that one. Let's spin the old doorsy pops over. Grab a screw and a bit of oil coat. Right. So, let that do its thing. And then we'll scoot that hinge in place. Just move you up there. We're going in there. Got two pegs on the hinge. That will then drop in place and line the screw right up in that middle part there. Like so. Nice resounding click as it went in. I can now stand the door on its end, rest that against me knuckle and screw that up. I'm just checking to make sure them pegs have lined up in these little lugs. That's that one done. Do the same again on this one. Let's turn my door around a bit. Grab that screw. Let the oil run all the way down. Like that. And then we'll do the same. And that's the little pegs I'm on about, just there. Yep. One there, one. We want those to go in here. 1, 2. Okay. And then pinch it with your finger. And then you can pop your screw in just like that. And that is that sorted. Check they're tight, which they are. And that is that side done now. Okay. So that's all there is for that issue. Nice and easy this way. Just putting the hinges on. And then we're going to be putting the rest of the parts on this door over the next couple of issues, folks, okay? I'll just clean all my fingerprints off. Like so. So don't forget, folks, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, hop over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this 1/8 scale model. Also, to help me out, you can click the little festa in the corner and subscribe to the channel. Keeps it alive and keeps it growing. To be notified of upcoming content, give the bell a ring, select all. That way you'll get notified of all the upcoming videos. Remember to thumbs up and hype the video for me. Just puts it out there, gets more people watching. Until then, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Stay safe and well. Goodbye for now.